Romans 12 verse 12, be joyful in hope, patient in affliction, faithful in prayer. Psalm 27 verse 14, wait for the Lord. Be strong and take heart and wait for the Lord. Galatians 6 verse 9, let us not become weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up. Ecclesiastes 7 verse 8, the end of a matter is better than its beginning, and patience is better than pride. James 5 verse 7, be patient, then, brothers and sisters, until the Lord's coming. See how the farmer waits for the land to yield its valuable crop, patiently waiting for the autumn and spring rains. Isaiah 30 verse 18, yet the Lord longs to be gracious to you, therefore he will rise up to show you compassion. For the Lord is a God of justice. Blessed are all who wait for him. Proverbs 14 verse 29, whoever is patient has great understanding, but one who is quick-tempered displays folly. Lamentations 3 verses 25 to 26, the Lord is good to those whose hope is in him, to the one who seeks him, it is good to wait quietly for the salvation of the Lord. Colossians 1 verse 11, being strengthened with all power according to his glorious might so that you may have great endurance and patience. Hebrews 10 verse 36, you need to persevere so that when you have done the will of God, you will receive what he has promised. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.